Okay, back guys. I am going to do these little 10 by 10s. These are canvas boards for oil and acrylic. They are primed, and what I'm going to do, I want 4 of the same because I'd like to have something that you can hang together. And this would be a really nice little project for children. First I want to see what happens if I put the colors next to each other. I want to test that first. Like that. So it's a sort of a mono print, which is pretty easy to do. Oops, not if you drop your orange in your green, then it's not that easy. But we'll see what happens. There we go. Then come back in with the yellow. Yes, because I like yellow. And then we'll finish it off with the turquoise or teal or whatever you want to call it. My favorite color. Okay. Ooh, I think that's not wide enough. Let's make it a little bit wider because otherwise we might miss a little bit. So first I want to test this one, if that works. So we're going to take our little canvas board. I don't think I have enough paint. We'll see. And we press it in. It's coming out on all sides, and we're going to lift it up. Ooh, that is pretty. I like that. What do you guys think? And of course there's silicone in there, so I do need a really, let's see, I can take my little palette knife. See, the thing is that I didn't touch it. I didn't touch that canvas. I have my gloves on, but still, see where it's pushing away the paint? That's too bad. I'll have to fix that when it's dry. But I sort of like what's going on here. Let's see when we give it a little burn. Yep, now I like it even better. To you that is turning into green, I don't see it. Not in real life. So we're going to do that again. Just take it up here, press it in, and pull it up. And we have another one, which is kind of nice. Now, like I said, this is really a nice project for children because it doesn't involve too much throwing of paint, so you can keep it kind of clean. And if they have the gloves on, I'm pretty sure that'll work really well. So for some sort of a birthday event, I can imagine. Of course, I would be just, you know, covering everything in plastic and letting them really do their thing, but I don't think you all want to do that because that might be a really big mess. So I'm gonna see if I can avoid that where the orange went in, but the green does give it a little kick, so we're going to do that. And then the yellow, and we're going to finish it off with my favorite color. There we go. And then we're going to do the other two. So we're going to press it down, give it a little swiggle, and then we're going to pull it up. And it's nice because they all have the same sort of pattern. So you can pull them all together, put them up together, and it'll make really, I'll put them down here. Let's see where you can see them. Of course, these boards, you know, you can't, oh, I think I'll turn that around because I think it needs to be like that. You can't say too much about those little boards. They cost next to nothing. And I bet, you know, they're greasy. They will be, I'm pretty sure. But you can't help it. You can always fix it a little later. See, this one really went went wrong, but you can fix that. That's no problem. Once it's dry, let me get one of my little brushes here. See if I can fix a little bit right now, because that's a lot to fix. I'll take the nice and fresh stuff. This is my own fault, because this is where I didn't have enough paint, but that's okay. I think we're fixing it as we go. There we are. Now, when you have 4, as you can see, you can always say, okay, I don't like that one. You can take that one out. What you can also do is just make all these little things and put your name on it, because I really think kids like stuff with their names on it. So if you were to print out little letters, they cut them out, and you put that on there, that would be really cute, I'm pretty sure. I do want to see if I can fix this right now. That'll save me some work later on. There it goes. A little bit of yellow. There it is. Okay, it's fixed. Now all I need to do is fix the turquoise up here. That's okay. See, and you could make sure that they have that, you know, fixed, so they don't have to do it later. Then they can just start with their letters, put the letters on, and then they're ready to go. If you wanted to, you could even get one of those spray cans of varnish, and then you could spray it, and they'll be all ready. Okay, we're ready. That's it. I kind of like that little project, because I had paint, you know, I didn't want to throw the paint away. I think throwing away paint is such a waste. And so, little project, and there you go. So thanks for watching, guys. See ya later.